There is a machine in 10,000 Indian schools right now, and the kids who figured out how to use it are skipping the lines to any IITs, BITS or Ivy League. I am not exaggerating. Let me show you. In 2016, the government dropped 3D printers into schools across India under something called Atal Tinkering Labs. Most kids ignored them, a small group didn't. And across the same time, smart Indian families started quietly buying these printers for home. That movement been building for 9 years now. These are Niti Aayog's own numbers. Over 1 crore Indian students have access to 3D printers at their school, and 16 lakh innovation projects have been filed till now. 16 lakhs. And this is where things get spicy. ATL Marathon 2022 to 23 edition. 12,200 student teams submitted prototypes. The top 400 got industry internships. Capgemini, real corporate incubators before they finished schools. In 2017, an 18-year-old from Tamil Nadu named Rifat Sharouk 3D printed a satellite called Kalam-Sat, 64 grams lighter than a smartphone, and NASA actually launched it. It was the first satellite designed by an Indian student to fly in space. And on the other side of the world, 8 out of 10 finalists in 2025 3M Young Scientist Challenge in America were Indian origin kids. One of them, 13-year-old Divyam Desai, wrote on his official finalist profile, and I quote, "My favorite invention of the last 100 years is the 3D printer. That's the playbook." Here's the formula these kids are running. It's not complicated, that's the scary part. Step 1. Pick a real problem, not a textbook problem. Something annoying in your gully, your school, or your nanny's kitchen. Step 2. Design it in free softwares. Tinkercad, Autodesk gives it away free for students. Fusion 360 also free with a student license. Onshape, free education plan. None of this costs you anything. Step 3. Get your hands on a printer. School ATL is the obvious one. If your school doesn't have one, there are Indian companies like Wall 3D. They have been putting 3D printers into homes and schools across 14 different cities for nearly a decade. Step 4. Print version 1. It will fail. Print version 2. It will fail again. Print version 7 might not fail and you might have a product in your hand. Step 5. This is what everyone misses. Document the entire mess. Photos, CAD files, videos of it printing, iteration logs, video of its working. That is what wins, not the final polished shot. Submit it. ATL Marathon, Inspire Manak Vigyan Pratibha, Young Scientist India. Every one of these has 3D printed prototype winners every single year. Now about the college thing. This part gets misunderstood. A 3D printer doesn't get you into Stanford, a project does. The 3D printer is just a tool for a 16-year-old Pune-based boy to build something that he always dreamed about. Indian kids are walking into IIT interviews, BITS Pilani admissions, and common app essays with prosthetic hands they printed for kids in their neighborhood, using free designs from a global open source project called eNable, with low-cost ventilator parts, with assistive devices for grandparents with arthritis, real things that solves real problems, with photos that prove it. The kids who are winning aren't necessarily smarter. They just got their hands on the tools way earlier. If your school has an ATL and you've never touched a printer in it, that's the leak. Go get it right now. And if you're serious about doing this from home, Wall 3D has been the honest answer in this space since 2016. 14 cities, 50,000 customers, 200 plus product partnerships with Creality, Bamboo Lab, Flashforge, Frozen and Elegoo. India's first 3D printing experience center is theirs. Filaments, printers, scanners, pens, they cover the full stack and they've been doing it longer than most of the kids using their machines have been alive. Don't take notes, take prints.